Hello guys, welcome to another video of becoming a code expert. If you are a beginner who wanted to become an intermediate in Python, this video is for you. In this video, we will be creating a number guessing game only using the console. Don't skip the video and watch it till the end to know the concepts clearly. Before getting into the video, subscribe my channel so that you don't miss any further updates. Now let's get into the video. In this program, we are going to code in such a way that it gives hint to the user on which number to choose next so that the user won't find it difficult to choose the next number. To start the code, open PyCharm and create a new Python file. So this is the project name. I have explained how to create a project in the previous video, just check it out. So right click on this project name and give new and click on Python file. And now I'm going to name the file. Let's name it as number guessing game. Type number guessing game and give enter. So the file got created. Now let's start the code. So the first step is to import random function. Import random. So what this will do is we are importing the random module to generate a random number. So the user have to guess what is the random number. So import random. And next we are going to create a function to generate hints based on how close the guess is to the secret number. So this function is where we are going to give the logic of the code. So def give hint, and we are going to give two variables here, secret and guess. So these two variables are used, and secret is the random number that is generated by the system, and guess is the number which the user will guess. And now we are going to find the difference between the two numbers. So diff is equal to ABS of secret minus guess. So secret minus guess will be calculated, and only the number will be generated, and the plus or minus symbol will be removed. So if the secret is less and guess is higher, it will generate a negative number. So in the output, when we use the absolute function, the number becomes positive. And now we are going to give direction is equal to too high if guess is greater than secret, else too low. So if the guess is greater than secret, it will print too high, or if the guess is less than secret, it will print too low. So the user will know whether to guess the next number greater than the previous number or less than the previous number. Now we are going to create the logic for that. If guess is equal to secret, return you got it. So if the number is exactly guessed, it will return you got it. And then elif so now if the number is greater than 30, what it will print is you're freezing cold, think way differently. What it does is, first it will print whether it is too high or too low. That is, the guess number is higher than the secret number or lower than the secret number. So we should write return f direction. So direction is this this line, whether it is too high or too low, will be printed, and what it prints next is you're freezing cold. Think way differently. These lines are just to make the code more interesting. elif. So now if the difference is greater than 20, what happens is it will return you're on the path but not exactly. Direction chilly but on the path. Now if the difference is greater than 10, what happens is it will return the direction, whether it is too high or too low, and getting warm. It means the user is getting closer to the random number. elif diff is greater than 5. Return if direction hot hot hot. So the number is exactly near the random number generated. And now the difference is less than 5, that is greater than 1 and less than 5. We'll just give else return direction just a few steps away. Got it? So this function is over. Now let's go to the main function. Def main. Now let's give an introduction. Print welcome to the number guessing game. So this is to greet the user. Now we'll tell the user what is the range of the number generated. So we'll generate a number from 1 to 100. So what we tell the user is, I am thinking of a number between 1 and 100, and then we'll help the user with the instructions. So print, try to guess the number, I'll guide you with the instructions. And now here is the main step. We are generating the random number. Secret number is equal to random.randint 1, 100, and the guess count is 0. So we should find in how many guesses the user found the correct number. So guess count is 0. While true, now we are going to give a try and except block so that it don't create any errors. Try guess is equal to int input enter the guess count less or equal to 1. So the guess count is going to get incremented each time the user gives a guess. If the guess should only be between 1 to 100. So we're giving this in the try block. This is just to ensure whether the guess is within the valid range. Hint is equal to give hint secret number guess. Now we are going to print the hint. So what we do here is we are just in the hint variable, we are going to call this function. This is the function that is going to generate the logic. So we are going to print a hint function. If guess is equal to secret number, we'll check for the win condition. So now if guess is equal to secret number, print You found it on. So what's the guess count? The number of counts the user took to guess the number. Guess count space guesses. Now if guess count is less than or equal to 5, print incredible, you are a guessing master. So this is just to encourage the user, like how many counts they took. Elif guess count so if the guess count is less than or equal to 10, it will print great intuition, well done. If the guess count went less than, greater than 10, it will keep repeating, you got there, keep practicing. And after the user guessed it right, we have to exit from the loop, so it will give break. Now there is a condition when the user may guess the number less than 1 or greater than 100. So in that case what we do is else print the guess must be between 1 and 100. So now let's give an except block for this. Try and except block is necessary for every code to reduce the errors. Only the value errors are possible here. So except value error and print invalid input. So here we are asking the user to print the whole number. The user may give negative numbers or decimal numbers or anything. So we have to print please enter a whole number. So now we'll give a code to execute the main function. If name is equal to main function. So we call the main function here. So this should be inside double quotes. Let's run the code. Now the user asks to guess the number. So let's check what range the number is in. So I'll give the midpoint as 50. So the number is guessed. The number guessed is too low. So we have to give a number greater than 50. Let's give 75. And this is still low. We'll give 85. This is also low. 95. It's too high, right? So I'll give 90. That is between 85 and 95. It's too high. So the number must be between 85 to 90. I'll give 86, 87. So I found it on 7 guesses. I hope this video was helpful to you. Hit a like if you tried this code. Comment the number of guesses you took to guess the number. If you have any doubts, ask in the comment section and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.